Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Unipak mackerel. This versatile fish comes already cooked and preserved, offering a wonderfully convenient and nutritious option for your next meal. You will begin by carefully opening the can or pouch, then gently draining away all the preserving liquid. Be sure to handle the fillets with care as you remove them, ensuring they stay whole and ready for your chosen preparation method. This initial step is key for a delicious outcome. Once your mackerel is drained, it is time to assemble your supporting ingredients and tools. A good quality cooking oil, perhaps 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, will be crucial for pan frying. For seasoning, think simple. A pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper work wonders, or perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika for a smoky touch. You will also need either a sturdy non-stick pan or a reliable baking sheet, depending on whether you choose to pan fry or bake. For a quick and satisfying meal, pan frying is an excellent choice. Begin by heating about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over a medium flame. Once the oil shimmers, gently place your mackerel fillets into the pan, ensuring they have enough space. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful light golden crispness. Remember, the goal is to warm them through and add texture, not to cook them from raw. To truly elevate your Unipak mackerel, consider these simple additions. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the hot fillets adds a vibrant acidity that cuts through the richness beautifully. For a touch of color and fresh aroma, sprinkle on some finely chopped parsley or dill. This mackerel pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed green beans, a crisp garden salad, or even nestled into a sandwich. A small dollop of homemade tartar sauce, about 1 tablespoon, also makes a fantastic accompaniment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.